Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to change mouse settings on your PC. Well, here I'll be teaching you how to change your mouse settings on your PC. Change your mouse settings on your PC. Click on devices right here. Once you're in your settings, after clicking on devices right here, you'll see on the left corner devices. And here, just below the printers and scanners, is the mouse. Press on the mouse. So here, you can change on the primary button. So the primary button is like the left click, as you can see right here. Whenever I click on this, see I can control that. There you go. There you go. But left. But if you turn it to the right, whenever I left click, I can't do anything. There you go. I only need to click on the right click so I can control it like that. So now we're gonna put it back into left click. Now here, multiple lines at a time. Roll the wheel to scroll. We can do that, or we can do that one screen at a time. You want, and choose how many lines to scroll each time. So we got 3 right here, 3 lines. We can increase it much more, so we can have a big gap or big jump whenever we scroll right there. And here's the cursor sensitivity. So if we go to max, we're gonna go to 20. As you can see, it's a little bit fast than normal. Okay, we're gonna put it back. There you go. There you go. Now we have here the right corner. You will see related settings. Here we can adjust the mouse and cursor size. As you can see right here, we can adjust its size. Watch this. There we go. As you can see, our mouse is very super big. And then we can gonna point it like that. We can also change its color. Right here, we can change. You can change it blue. Make it big. Like it's a big blue. There you go. There you go. Right there. So as you can see right here, whenever we're gonna go to a black right there, it's still gonna see like it changes color. As you can see right there, it's kind of cool. Not gonna lie, it's like having your X-ray or something. uh, oh, ooh. Wait, sorry guys, I'm kind of enjoying this. So now it's gonna turn it to back to its normal um, range color. So now I'll just go back. Here is the additional mouse options right here. You can change which primary secondary button right here. Do it like that, but we're gonna put it back there. The speed right here. Change that. Click on apply when you're done. Here we have the magnifier, Windows black, extra large, as you can see right here. Those are the other options you can do with your pointer. Now we're gonna put it into none. Pointer option, select pointer speed. We can do it speed. We can increase the speed, or we can put it back to normal. Enhance pointer. Automatically move pointer. Default into dialog box. That display pointer trails. So as you can see, if we on this, watch this. Oh, you see that? It's like following. So if you make it short, watch. Oops, it's a little bit short, but I'm gonna put it in the middle. Watch. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I kinda enjoy that. Wee. Now we're gonna. You can hide the while typing and show location to the pointer of the pressor camera of the. Sorry for show location of the pointer when I press the control key. So yeah, whenever I click on the control key, will show the location of the pointer. So yeah, there you go. Here we have the wheel. Roll the wheel on, as you see, it's also the same as earlier. So yeah. So here is our mouse right here. Here's just properties, drivers, and details. Even there you go. Events right here can be also located right here. Now we're still gonna go back. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it on your mouse settings. So if you have any more questions, if you have any more concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.